Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. Launch the WhatsApp app on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, locate and tap on the arrow beside your profile name. This will bring up a pop-up menu. From the pop-up menu, choose the option labeled Add Account. Follow the prompts to sign up for a new WhatsApp account or log in to an existing account. Enter the OTP or one-time password code sent to your registered phone number to verify your account. Fill up any additional information required to set up your second WhatsApp account. Once you've completed the setup process, you will have successfully activated two WhatsApp accounts within the same WhatsApp app. By following these steps, you can easily manage two WhatsApp accounts on your device using the same WhatsApp application. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!